Welcome to Jajja Academy Lahore. I am Tabinda Etazaz. Today I explain different logical operators used in C language. The logical operators are used to evaluate compound statements, and compound statements are the statements in which more than one conditions are tested. There are three types of logical operators. Number one, AND operator, which is represented by double ampersand symbols. In the AND operator, we perform product operation, dot operation. I'll tell you its detail. Number two is OR operator. OR operator is represented by double vertical bars, or plus operation is performed in OR operator. The third logical operator is NOT operator, which is represented by exclamation sign. It is also known as inverter operator. The logical operators are also known as Boolean operators. The Boolean operators produce results in the form of true or false. True is also represented by 1 and false can also be represented by 0. Let's discuss these logical operators in detail. AND operator. It is used to evaluate two conditions. One condition is written on the left hand side of AND operator, double ampersand signs, and the other condition is written on the right side. The AND operator returns true if both conditions are true. Otherwise, it returns false. For example, I have provided a truth table for AND operator that shows if condition 1 is true and condition 2 is also true, then it will return true. If any of these two conditions is false, the answer will be false. For example, if condition 1 is true but the second condition is false, then the AND operator will return false. If the first condition is false and the second condition is true, then the AND operator will return false. And if both conditions are false, then it will return false. Simply I can say that while using the AND operator, if two conditions are true, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. In this truth table, I have shown true as 1 and false as 0. If the condition 1 returns 1, it means if the condition 1 is true and the condition 2 is true, we simply take product of these two values, which is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Next, if the condition 1 is true and condition 2 is false, it will return 0. It will return false. Simply, if you take product of these two values, it will produce 0 result. Next, condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true. Then after taking their product, or simply after their multiplication, 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, if condition 1 and 2 both are false, it means both return 0. 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So you can memorize AND operator with true false values or in the form of zeros or ones. Now let's take an example of AND operator. These are some examples of AND operator. Condition 1 is 3 is greater than 2 and condition 2 is 1 is greater than 0. As 3 is greater than 2, so it will return true, and 1 is also greater than 0, so it will return true. Now true and true, both conditions are true, so the AND operator will return true answer. As true is represented by 1, so 1 and 1. It means 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, and true can be represented by 1 and vice versa. In the second example, 3 is less than 2. This is the condition 1 and 1 is greater than 0 is condition 2, and the AND operator is applied between these two conditions. Now 3 is less than 2, it is false as 3 is not less than 2, it is greater than 2, so it will return false. On the other hand, 1 is greater than 0, which is true condition. This condition will return true, true or 1, but this condition has returned false, 0. By the definition of AND operator, if both conditions are true, it will generate or it will produce true result, otherwise the AND operator will return false. So false and true will produce false. 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. In the third example, 7 is greater than 8 is first condition, and the second condition is 9 is less than 9. As 9 is not less than 9, so it will return false result. On the other hand, 7 is not greater than 8, 7 is less than 8, so it will produce false. False and false will be equal to false, or you can say that 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So if you have to produce results in the form of true false, then you will write true and false, T for true, F for false, and if you have to return the results in form of 1 and 0, then you can write these results. So I have provided both options. The OR operator, it is represented by double vertical symbols. The OR operator also tests two conditions, condition 1 and condition 2, and it returns true if any of these two conditions is true. Otherwise, it returns false. For example, if condition 1 is true and the condition is also true, then the OR operator will return true. If the first condition is false and the second condition is true, then it will return true. And if the first condition is true but the second is false, then still the OR operator will return true. But if both conditions, condition 1 and condition 2, both are false, then it will return false. So the OR operator returns false when both conditions are false, otherwise it returns true. If you forget when the answer is true or false, then you can simply write true false in the form of 1 and 0 and then simply add these numbers. When we add binary 1 and 1, it is not 2, as the binary language does not allow the numbers except 0 and 1. After addition, if the number is greater than 1, then we divide it on 2. As the answer is 2, 2 will be divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 and 0 is remainder. So this one will be written here. And 1 plus 1 will produce 1. Or simply, if condition 1 and condition 2 both are true, the OR operator will return true. Now, if condition 1 is false, false means 0, and the condition 2 is 1, then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. If condition 1 is true but condition 2 is false, then 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And if both conditions are false, means condition 1 is 0 and condition 2 is also 0, then 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So you can memorize the tables in the form of true and false or in the form of 1 and 0. In the AND operator, we multiplied these values, and in the OR operator, we simply add these values. The third logical operator is NOT operator, and it is represented by exclamation mark. The NOT operator is applied on a single condition. The operators applied on single conditions or single operand are known as unary operator, and NOT is a unary operator, so it will be applied on one condition. The NOT operator is also known as inverter operator or simply inverter because it inverts the results. For example, if the result is false or if the NOT operator is applied to false, it will convert the value from false to true. And if the NOT operator is applied on true, then it will invert true into false. Similarly, if the not operator is applied on 0, it will return 1, and if it is applied on 1, it will return 0. For example, this is a condition, and condition says 3 is greater than 2. As 3 is greater than 2, so it will produce true. And after applying the not operator on this true, the not operator will convert true into false. In the next example, if I write 3 less than 2, as 3 is not less than 2, so this condition will produce false, and after applying the not operator on false, it will convert false into true. In the next example, 5 is less than 6. As this condition is true, so this will be evaluated as T, true or 1. And when we will apply not operator on this true value, it will be inverted into false. In other words, if the not operator is applied on 1, then the not operator will invert 1 into 0. That's why the not operator is also known as inverter. Let's summarize the three logical operators. The AND operator is represented by double ampersand symbol. The OR operator is represented by double vertical bars, and the third NOT operator is represented by exclamation mark. The AND operator returns true only when both conditions are true. Otherwise, it returns false. But the OR operator returns true when any of the two conditions is true. Otherwise, it returns false. Whereas the third operator, the NOT operator, which is also known as inverter, it simply inverts the value. If the value is true, it inverts it into false, and if the value is false, it inverts the value into true. Or if the value is 1, it will return 0, and if the value is 0, it will return 1. It was all about the logical operators used in C language. For more C language tutorials and other informative videos, subscribe to my channel.